Welcome to Alikare, and this is Thea. Okay, so today we're going to talk about nutmeg. Well, I know you're saying to yourself that I know that nutmeg is good for this, and I use nutmeg every day, and I use nutmeg from child, but there's something sometimes we don't know, okay? And I would expect you to just stay tuned for the video and just listen till the end. And thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, press the subscribe button. Also, hit the bell and comment below. Now, what is nutmeg? Nutmeg is found to have health benefits. It also help with pain, indigestion, strengthen connective function, detoxify the body, and boost skin health. So we always put nutmeg in our porridge, and we always use nutmeg to bake, and we use nutmeg as skincare recipe. Yes, nutmeg is also good to take care of your skin. It removes spots, and it also tone your skin. It also exfoliates your skin. It's a good scrub. It's also good for blood circulation when you consume it. But did you know that nutmeg is also good for oral conditions? Like, for instance, it is a condition for somebody to be talking and the corner of their mouth have froth. Yes, the corner of their mouth have froths, like a saliva. It just moves to the side of the corner of your mouth while you're talking, or while you're talking, there are some streaks in your mouth, like your spickles fly. Yes, nutmeg is good for that. Nutmeg is also good for people who just, if you don't have on any cologne, you just have a odor. You sweat, your bacteria, it smell when you sweat. Nutmeg is good for that. You can have nutmeg bath, nutmeg scrub, and you can consume the nutmeg by making tea. Now, one of the best way to use nutmeg is to do it without warm water. How does that work? Blend the nutmeg and put the nutmeg to soak for at least 2 hours. Strain it and drink that water. You get more health benefits from the nutmeg. Did you also know that nutmeg is good for yeast infection? Yes, nutmeg is good for yeast infection. Most ladies, if you have your that area, and it's dark and it's discolored, because because of sweat and we wear underclothes, that area is always dark more than anywhere else on the body. So what you can do is mix up some nutmeg, right? You can use any oil of choice. I normally recommend coconut oil. Mix any oil of choice and put it down there, right? Also, if you have any form of infection or smell, right, when it comes to down there, you can put some nutmeg in warm water with vinegar and sit over it. It's also good, especially after your menstrual cycle, so it leave you refreshed and smelling good. We have douche out there, and we have other factors out there that we will use, but sometimes those things dry out your inside. It dry you out, and it's not good to continue use. But most lady, after every menstrual cycle, we really want to have something to feel refreshed and nice without using anything that would give us side effect or itch. Nutmeg bath is really good, or just sit over a bucket of water with nutmeg, and you will feel refreshed and feel good after you finish. Also, to get rid of the froth in the mouth, cut the nutmeg and have a little piece in your mouth. It's also good for toothache. It's good for toothache, and it's good to help you with your smell and also your spickle or froth, whichever you call it, at the corner of your mouth. And for people who have night fever, some people say it's herpes, but say night fever and your lips starting sore and all of that, just keep a piece of nutmeg in your mouth. No, this is a myth, and said nutmeg also take away evil spirit. Like you will use, like old time days, what should I say? Because it's not that it worked for me, or if I ever tried it in that formal way, but I've heard it from a child growing up that nutmeg take away spirit. All you need to do is have a little piece of nutmeg around you, and spirit do not follow you. So before you think about nutmeg, in here are nutmeg, depends on how you pronounce it, guys. Before you think about it for just food, think about it for the health benefits. And as I said, if you want the best from nutmeg, blend it as much as possible. They have something that called bullet that makes smoothies and so forth. Blend out the nutmeg without warm water, put it down for at least 2 hours, strain it, and you get the best out of the nutmeg without the warm water. When you add heat to anything, it kills some of the antioxidant properties. Not saying that it doesn't work, but it kills some of the antioxidant properties. It breaks it down before you get the full thing. Did you also know that nutmeg is good for leukemia? Yes. So try nutmeg today if you're going through anything and you need to build your immune system. Have your nutmeg tea, even though when you put warm water to it, it kind of breaks down some of the antioxidant properties. But guess what? Keep on drinking it and it will still help you. But remember, as I said, the best way is to do it without warm water. I hope this video helped you, and if you want more videos like this, please comment below, share it with your friends, because this might help somebody. This might help even your grandparents, somebody that didn't know, because nutmeg also help with your glucose level, right? So think about some of your friends who have body acne, facial problem. Just try nutmeg. Want to get away spots from underneath the eyes, your face break out and you have a little pimple. Try nutmeg and come back and let me know how it worked for you.